This is a 2021 Chevy Corvette Stingray. Currently has the factory exhaust system on it with the factory stainless steel exhaust tips. Customer wants to upgrade and put some nice black tips on there, make it pop a little bit. He's taking all the chrome off of it. Going to keep it factory though, the factory muffler. Going to be a bit of a job. You got to take the whole rear bumper off of it. It's a little bit of process on this one to get it muffler in and out and get the tips on there, but we'll let you see how it turns out. Hey, as you can see, we've got the new tips on there. Took a little bit of work to get them all lined up nice and straight. The bumper cover has to come on and off a couple times to get it all mocked up. Bunch of work just to get some tips on there, but it's going to look good at the end of the day without changing the factory muffler, so it's all going to be stock sound, just a little different look. Okay, as you see, we got it all back together. It's all blacked out now. Everything's nice and straight, very precise fit back here. Not for every muffler shop to attempt, I can assure you that. It's all stock, just what the customer's looking for. Didn't want to change the sound, just the looks. Get it all blacked out.